In the SME market, or the small and medium enterprise market, the bank is not lending to the business. The bank's not lending to the business. The bank's lending to you as the individual. Because you are the one who will make or break your business. You are the one who will make it a success, and you are the one who will send it on down to the road to failure. There's no such thing as the business in the SME world. So the interview process, whilst you may think it's an information gathering exercise on behalf of the bank, and it does tend to turn into that because you never supplied all the information in the first place, the real reason the bank wants to see you is to see the white of your eyes. To see that if I'm giving you 300 grand of my money, I need to make sure that I've got confidence that when you walk out this room, you're going to pay me back. Because the bank manager's putting his or her name to an application that will go up for somebody else to look at, his personal reputation on the line here, so he's going to want to see that he's got confidence in your ability to actually to deliver on the promises you made in the plan. So it's all about preparation. It's about doing it right. Thinking beforehand, what sort of questions am I going to be asked? Where are the gaps? And more importantly, where are these risks? What's going to trip up my business? Because those are the things that the banks are looking for, are the elements where you could fall down through a hole. And you've got to make sure that you address those points by saying, I know there's a risk here, but this is how I'm going to fill it. This is the steps I'm going to take to mitigate that risk. So it's all about preparation, about sitting down and planning it out. What questions am I going to be asked? What am I going to be challenged on? But also, don't forget, it's your opportunity to ask questions as well. Many people think the power is sitting on the other side of the desk. It's not. In times like this, the banks are after top quality business themselves. And they know they're in competition with other banks as well for good quality business. So you've got to make yourself or make the bank manager sweat on that. So you've got to ask the questions. And what questions do you ask? Okay, what interest rate are you going to charge me? What's the arrangement fee going to be? What security are you going to demand of me? Am I going to be speaking to you, or am I going to be speaking to somebody 5,000 miles away? What ability do you have in order to get a yes to me? Or do I have to wait 3 weeks for somebody else to make the decision? Do you have the ability to tell me yes if I need an extra 5 grand today? So these are the sorts of questions that you should be preparing before you go in, because it's not a one-way street. You need to make them sweat and work for your business.